Okay, we're gonna have your recess. And then after you come back at 9:55, guys. Who wants to lead the prayer? 20 minutes recess.
Yes, we are ready to pray. Bless us, O Lord, for gifts I give, which are among those system thy bounty, all Christ our Lord.
Father, it's the Lord. You come back at after 20 minutes. Pero hindi ko pa kalpas na.